Now what we're going to do is we're going to finish up with our layer mask. So if we look over here, we can see that we've already started and got this side done. I'm going to do the same thing over here. So let's click here. Let's bring the opacity back down just a little bit so we can see exactly what it is we're doing. Let's just zoom in on this section here. We're just going to erase all this in here right along the hairline and maybe just a little bit over because we don't want to get rid of too much of the hair. But see this eyebrow here? I don't want this eyebrow to show through, so let's not erase too much to where that shows through. Or her eyes, because her eyes are really close to her hairline. So let's put it down, and I don't want to erase the ear either. I want to kind of keep that for an effect. So we take this down. We can actually take this down just a little bit more. There we go. Like so. And let's zoom out. We can zoom out by hitting Command minus or Command under spacebar, whatever you want to call that. Let's zoom back in just a little bit and round out here and around the ear. There we go. Command 0 to bring this back up to full screen. Let's hit our opacity, bring this all the way back up. And there we go. We see the face is lining up quite perfectly with this here. So what we need to do now is we need to adjust the face color here so it matches more of the photo color. And we will do that in the next section.